சரி சரி வா சரி வா வா சரி வா வா வா
It's sealed and second side is plug.
இந்த பக்கம் வந்து ஒரு plug அடைச்சிருப்பாங்க ஒரு பக்கம் வந்து சீல் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க
So you have to remember the first is how to thaw this straw. It comes in liquid nitrogen container.
இது எப்படி எடுக்கணும்னு இப்ப சார் சொல்ல போறாரு
So this has liquid nitrogen in it and it should be kept in liquid nitrogen. So what you have to do is there is a tub like this, you can take anything. It can be glass also, but straw should fit in it.
இந்த மாதிரி எப்பவுமே வெளியே எடுக்கணும்னா இந்த அந்த உயரத்துக்கு நம்ம ஒரு கிளாஸ் எடுத்து வச்சுட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இத கட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம்
Or it will sit.
இந்த மாதிரி உள்ள வைக்கிறோம்
So when you take water, measure the temperature of water to 37 degrees.
இப்போ இன்செமினேஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம வந்து தண்ணி வந்து வார்ம் வாட்டர் எடுத்துக்கணும் அந்த அந்த தண்ணி வந்து 37 டிகிரி சென்டிகிரேட் இருக்கணும்னு நம்ம பார்த்துக்கணும்
So this is thermometer. We put warm water in this, measure temperature to body temperature 37 and never do like this, take in pocket, never.
அது மாதிரிலாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது
So measure temperature, then after measuring 37 degrees, remove straw from this container, give a jerk and put fully immersed. Okay?
தண்ணிக்குள்ள இன்சைட் வாட்டர்
Inside the water.
இந்த மாதிரி உள்ளந்து எடுத்து ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு உதறி இந்த வார்ம் வாட்டருக்குள்ள இதை உடனே போட்டுடணும் டைம்
Wait for 30 seconds.
30 செகண்ட்ஸ் அதுக்குள்ள இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும்
After 30 seconds, remove this. You can wipe it with paper or cloth. Everybody will do this practically.
ஓகே சார்
So this is insemination gun. You must have seen this. It's same for cattle. Same gun is used for cattle. So what you have to do is the sealed end should be outside. Sealed end outside, and you can put this inside. Then you have to cut it. Then there is a sheath. Everybody will do this. I'm just showing. What I do is put this sheet on top of, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it.
Like sleeve.
press it. Here there is lock. It will not come out now. Even if you pull, it will not come out. And then use this for inseminating goats. One straw is to be used for one goat. I hope everybody is understanding.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is semen thawing. So before you have a goat in estrus, check that goat is in estrus first.
முதல்ல வந்து கோட்டை வந்து அந்த ஹீட்ஸ்ல இருக்கா அப்படின்றத நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செக் பண்ணணும். அது ஹீட்ல இருந்தா தான் நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி இந்த process யூஸ் பண்ணணும்.
If goat is not in heat and you put this straw and goat is not in, what you will do? Put this back again? Not possible. This is
இதுக்குள்ள
wasted.
எடுத்துட்டோம்னா வேஸ்ட் தான். ஒண்ணு யூஸ் பண்ணனும் அப்படி இல்லனா தூக்கி போடணும்.
And one for one goat. Don't use it for half one goat, half other goat.
ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரா எடுத்தா நம்ம ஒரு கோட்டுக்கு தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்.
Only one for one goat. So this is actually straw, and for releasing after insemination, what will happen? Semen has gone into cervix, the female tract of goat, and after insemination you have to press this. Understood? So we will have a thawing practical first. So this is important. So get hot water.
Here we can have a thawing process. Here or here?
Okay, we'll individually go in the goat.
1.7 to
Yes, semen to goats. Okay.
that is important, sir, because of the man.
Yes, yes.
You want to see practically.
Yeah. If you have any difficulty, you can ask in English or in Tamil regarding this. Is it clear?
Okay, very clear.
This is clear, sir, but if we want to insert the goat,
That we have not come to that. This is only semen and thawing part and preparing insemination gun. We will actually go there. You will thaw yourself, load it. I will show you how to inseminate, and you will inseminate. Okay?
After finishing all those things, we can have a bite.
Yes. We will go for insemination. Yes. I will need some warm water.
Shall I ask some general topics
As a
about
general
goat?
topic, we can
We
finish all these
can
things
finish
and
because
come back and have a.
Those goats are in estrus.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So they need to be time of insemination and time of estrus examination. All those 10 goats, they are synchronized. Do you know anything about synchronization?
சிங்க்ரோனைசேஷன் ஒரு ப்ராசஸ். அது வந்து நம்ம எத்தனை நம்பர் கோட் வந்து நம்ம ஹீட்ஸ்க்கு எடுத்துன்னு வரோம் அப்படின்னு நம்மளே முடிவு பண்ணி அதை சிங்க்ரோனைஸ் பண்றது, அது ஒரு ப்ராசஸ் இருக்கு. அதை பத்தி சார் சொல்லுவாரு.
I will tell you process of synchronization later on. We also have brought some sponges. You can insert those sponges and actually do it by yourself. Yeah. So first we will go and do insemination. Is that all? Right?
ஓகே சார்.
அவங்க என்ன பண்ண போகிறாங்கன்றது பார்த்து கரெக்டாக ஃபோட்டோடு போயிட்டு விட்டு பேசுகிறவர் பக்கத்தில் தூக்கி போடுகிறார் அவரு. அவங்களாம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், புரியுதா?
So this is slightly higher. So this is above 40. Can you
40,
see?
it is coming 40.
Yeah. So we have to put some cold water in. Be completely immersed in it. So what I do is put some. So this is 39.
Again, you want to
Still I have to put some cold water.
ஆமாம் சார். 37 டிகிரி டேர்ன் வரணும் சார் தண்ணி.
How much it is? 38.5. Yeah, it will reduce. How much it is now? Yeah, it will come to 37. So this is 37.
it should be coming for 30 only.
No, 37 only.
37.
It should be 37. Be careful. It should be all time. It should be 37. It should not be 38. It should not be 36. Okay.
So we have to add some hot water also.
Yeah. Sometimes if it goes down, you have to add hot water also.
இப்போ 37க்கு குறைஞ்சதுனா நம்ம திரும்ப வந்து வெந்நீர்
This
திரும்ப
is
ஊத்திக்கணும்.
exactly 37 now. So what I do is, this is container. I just,
Cylinder level, so liquid level.
this is dry shipper. This is different. So what I do is, remove this. Shake.
Shall be closed.
Shake. Yes, you can. This is important. There is also.
Wait for 30 seconds.
Wait for 30 seconds. Now you can remove this outside. Okay. So after 30 seconds, I remove the straw, wipe it with cloth or paper. You are understanding? Yes. So this is 30 seconds over. So,
வருங்க சார்.
We can use a tissue paper also, right?
yeah, you can use anything.
Just wipe it.
Just wipe it. Don't go on doing. Okay, it is hard. Okay, no polish. Get the insulation. So what I have done, you have to, this will not come beyond this. Then, which end? This end up or this end?
Sealed and sealed and top.
Sealed end.
அந்த சீல் ரெண்டு வந்து வெளிய வர மாதிரி வைக்கணும்.
And I just, okay, and then I have a sheet. I put this, push it, push it, push it. Okay,
இல்ல திரும்ப பண்ணுவாரு.
can it come out?
No. It locked. வாங்கி செக் பண்ணிக்கோ.
It is not come.
It will not come. So this is to be used for injection. And I am bit slow because I want to show you.
Yeah.
You have to be very quick.
Okay.
Huh? Then I take this speculum, slightly lubricate with.
You need some lubricant. இல்ல.
No, I
Any
can.
oil, sir?
Paraffin.
Coconut oil.
As far as possible, don't use anything. You have
We have paraffin.
cotton.
Liquid paraffin.
Okay. There are 13 goats. Don't worry.
13 goats இருக்கு. அதனால
So what I do is put the tail up. Look, the goat is upside,
Yes.
and then I just see it doesn't injure. I have not pressed it. It's just I'm just in smoothly inside it. Take it to sunlight. Okay. Now,
Not visible.
yeah. Now I am taking it. If you put your head, I won't be able to see.
It is going to fully, sir.
Yes. Slightly upwards. Okay.
The location will be there.
Yes, you see.
everyone wants to
One by one, see. Can you?
The hole is there.
Yeah, the whole. Be on that side.
Okay.
Can you see? Did you see? You take goat on the ground and just remove it. Can you see it?
பார்க்க முடியுங்களா? இன்னும் யாராவது பார்க்கணும்னா வாங்க சார்.
Huh?
கீழே இறங்கி வந்து பாருங்க. வாங்க.
Okay.
Second goat I will see.
சத்தம் சரி ஓகே.
And if you are not able to, yes, ask them to lift it sideways. Now you can for locating. I will show you type of headlight.
Small hole.
This one. Lift it up a bit. Goat. Yes. So now it is just at the. I'm confident it will not go further. Are you getting it? It can be from. This is when this semen was frozen. This is 27/6/2030, and Nari is the name of his.
He's male. Okay. Is he coming male or female also?
This is what buck will do.
இப்போ நேச்சுரலாக என்ன பண்ணுறோமோ அதை இதை வழியில் நம்ம ஃபீமேல் மேலெலாம் சொல்ல முடியாது.
Okay. So who will do now?
We are not doing, sir.
Huh?
We are not doing that mistake.
Yeah. If you are doing then not doing then that is not a problem. So this sheet should be used only once. This throw it off. You have to have some waste box. Clean it.
Any tincture like that? Only water, hot water.
You should not use any antiseptic. If it comes in contact with sperms, what will happen? Die.
ஆன்டிசெப்டிக் மாதிரி நம்ம டெட்டால் அந்த மாதிரி எதுவும் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. யூஸ் பண்ணால் அந்த ஸ்போமை கில் பண்ணிட்டோம் அது.
And that will be irritating.